Welcome back to my channel, the #1 place to start your natural journey while embracing a natural lifestyle full of self-love, confidence, and determination. In today's video, I will be testing out a new product line, part of my Target edition, and I will be going from this crusty crunchy wash and go to this. So if that interests you, keep watching. So today we're trying out 3 products from the brand Raw Sugar: the Bounce Back shampoo and conditioner, which is mango butter, agave, and carrot oil, and then the Mighty Curls Hair Mask, which is papaya butter, coconut, and hemp seed oil. That papaya butter just sounds like it's going to be good. Raw Sugar is a plant-based lifestyle brand on a mission to promote clean and healthy living through products that are good for the body and nourishing to the soul. And I absolutely love the fact that for every product that is sold, they donate 1 bar of soap to a person in need. All right, y'all. So let me just start off by talking about the smell. This shampoo smells so unbelievably good. It smells like Jolly Ranchers. And I love Jolly Ranchers. They're not good for me, but I love them. Like, it literally smells like a Jolly Rancher. With every movement I make, it's just Jolly Ranchers all over me, all around me. I know you guys are wondering, like, why do you have these gloves on? I have gone gloves because I have a nail that's chipped. I actually have 2 nails that are chipped on both hands. I know, right? But I ended up taking my glove off because I wanted to feel the product so I can tell you guys, like, how does it actually feel. And even though it is a shampoo, I don't feel like it's actually like stripping my hair or drying my hair out. So that's a plus. So I'm just going to continue to try to get out all this shampoo that I put in my hair because I definitely did too much. And let's jump into the giveaway. So this giveaway is going to be so simple. All you have to do is, 1, of course, be subscribed to my channel. I need you to make sure you follow me on my new IG page, Curl Confirmations. And then last, throughout this video, I have dropped words on the screen, and I need you to put those words together and it will equal a phrase by the end of the video. You'll need to DM me that phrase on my new IG page, Curl Confirmation, and that's it. All right, so now we're going in with the Bounce Back Hydrating Conditioner, and this conditioner also smells just like Jolly Ranchers. Amazing. As far as the slip, it feels really good. It has tons of slip. Obviously, it smells good. I can't talk about that enough. I do want to add, for the giveaway, I will be giving away 3 bottles of Hairfinity gummies. If you've never heard of Raw Sugar, it's okay, because I don't think their hair care line has been out for a very long time. I, on the other hand, am not a newbie to this brand. I actually use their body wash or shower gel, whatever you guys want to call it, and I absolutely love it. So when I found out they had a hair care line, I was like, yes, I have to try this. So I have put my hair into 4 sections, and this is the very last section, and I just want you to see how this conditioner is smoothing through my hair and how hydrated my curls look, and they feel so good, like amazing. And I am going to go ahead and rinse this out now. During the rinse out process, I do keep my hair in the 4 sections just because I want to reduce the tangles. I have issues with my hair tangling after I have detangled my hair. I wasn't 100% sure if this brand was actually sold anywhere else because I really don't shop anywhere else. But I did check out their website, and this brand is available at Walgreens, and it's also available at Myers. And of course, you can check this brand out on their website if you don't have a Target or a Myers or a Walgreens near you. But pretty much Walgreens is everywhere in the United States. But yes, you can check them out at their website, rawsugarliving.com.
Oh, I've been dreaming about it, and it's you I'm on. So stop.
And now we're going to go on with the final step, which we're using the Mighty Curls Intensely Hydrating Hair Mask, which is infused with papaya, butter, coconut, and hemp seed oil. And when I tell you, this smells so good. It smells better than the shampoo and the conditioner. Like, it just smells like heaven. No, actually, it smelled like heaven and Hawaii. Hawaii is my favorite place, y'all. So if you've never been to Hawaii, then you won't understand. But if you've been to Hawaii, you know this smells pretty darn good. But as I am like slipping this through my hair, I'm like, take these gloves off, girl, because I want to feel the product in my hair. And once I did that, OMG, this product has so much slip, and it was hydrating my fingers. Like, I felt so hydrated and beyond happy. For naturals that struggle with hydration in their hair and skin, because my skin is always dry too, like, it hydrated my fingertips. So just needless to say, I am so satisfied at this point with this product. To be honest with y'all, they call it a hair mask, but I would consider it to be a deep conditioner. I mean, I don't know. I don't really know the difference between a hair mask and a deep conditioner. So in the comments, like, let me know. What do y'all consider? Do y'all consider a hair mask to be a deep conditioner? I don't know. But either way, it feels great. I did not follow their instructions because I left this on much longer than what they instructed. So the instructions say to use this product after you shampoo and condition your hair, and you apply it from root to end and leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes. But of course, I did not do that, and I left it on for over a half an hour.
Can we just talk?
All of the products that they offer are, of course, sulfate, paraben, and silicone free. They are vegan, and they are color safe. And of course, not tested on any animal. So I'm back, and it's time to wash it out. And it's been, like I said, over half an hour. Y'all see me trying to move past the water because I don't want to get wet. I'm too funny. But I was like almost completely dry. I had left it in my hair for so long, and I'm like, dang, I don't want to get back in this water. But as I am washing out my hair still feels amazingly soft. The whole entire bathroom just smelled like Hawaii, and I was loving it. Like, y'all see how this product is sliding through my hair. Like, I ain't making this up. And again, you know, every product is not going to work for everyone. So we are all washed out, and I just want to give you guys like a little bit of a close up just to see how hydrated my hair is looking. Like, no frizz, super hydrated. And when I tell you how my fingers felt, like my fingers just felt like I've just received so much moisture. Now I'm going to apply my Wetline Extreme Gel, and that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, make sure you are subscribed to the channel, and make sure you all follow those 3 steps to be entered into my giveaway. And as always, I'm a little different, and different is love. See y'all next time. Bye.
So stop